you can concatenate strings together with variables. You can see here we have a test variable which has the string value YouTube. We have another variable called example, and here we say, hey, this is plus test. Test is YouTube, a platform where you can post videos. So we add our test variable to our example variable, and we're not only just adding the variable, but we're also adding a custom text in the example variable too. So we can make a console log to see it in the console. So let's say example, and let me make the console a little bigger. And if I now click on run, we see, hey, this is YouTube, a platform where you can post videos. So nothing new. So everything working alright. And we're gonna do the same thing for practice here below. So I'm gonna say, for example, this, hello, my name is, and now you can put your name in here. Let's say Alex, and I made here a space. Now I say for string 2, you can also call that order instead of string. Let's say introduction name, and here let's say, I don't know, introduction age, for example. Hello, my name is Alex, and for introduction age, let's say, and I am 24 years old. And now we can have another variable to store it. For example, we can say var introduction person, and we say equals introduction name plus introduction age. And if we do now a console log with introduction person, and I make the console a little bigger and delete this console log above, we don't need it anymore, clear it. Now click on run, we see, hello, my name is Alex and I'm 24 years old. And we could also add here something again. So we could say console.log introduction person plus, and now two double quotes, and we see we don't have here a space. So let's make a space here, or even better, let's put here a point. And now let's say I live in Europe, in my case, for example. And if I will now click on run again, we see, hello, my name is Alex and I'm 24 years old. I live in Europe. Okay, so we could always use the plus operator to add more information, in our case a string, to our existing string here. So this was about the lecture. So this was about constructing strings with variables, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next lecture.